Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install VS Code on your system. So open your browser and write VS Code download and press enter and click on the first link which shows on the menu and click the operating system which you are using, and as fast you click the operating system the download will start. Let me show you. Here the download is started. So the page is showing and suggesting some extension. Let's skip to the part where download is finished. Now double click it and the installer will load, and now accept the agreement and check the box and click next. Now click the create desktop icon, check boxes and check below every box so that your installer will make the path by itself. You don't have to do anything. Now just click next and again next, and the installing will start. Once the loading starts, we will skip to the part where loading is finished. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and show your love by pressing the like button. Now let's skip it to the finish part. It's finished, and click the launch button and next, finish. Now it's open the VS Code by itself. As I use VS Code by myself, so my file assignment will be open. It is a Jupyter notebook file. You all are familiar with it. It's a text code, and let me show you its functions, how VS Code performs. This is the function where files are stored and you can open the folders whichever you want, and it has some side lines in which you can use the GitHub by using the pull request button and black box, and also there is an extension button. Let me show you the extension button. This is the extension button, and you can download the whatever extension you want for your program. So that will be it guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and like our video.